Okay, now we're in Carveco Maker, so we're going to do new model, 7x7, top center. Okay, so that gives us our model setup. From here we're going to go relief, import, 3D import. We're going to grab the file that we're working with. We're going to just click yes to this. Okay, so we're going to click center. We can see we have our model there, and what we want to do is we kind of want to adjust it, you know, so we can either do that now or we can do it later. For now I'm going to just click paste, and then I'll close this out, and we have this model on the screen. And from here I'm going to click on this button, right, or let me hit escape. So we have this model on the screen. We can toggle the visibility of it with this button here. If we select this, what we can do is pull up or down the embossment so we can say how much it's embossed. Alright, that looks good. We'll hit apply. Okay, so the other thing we want to do, actually let me pull it up a little bit here. Okay. Not quite that much. Okay. Cancel. The other thing we want to do is draw a boundary. So we're going to do a rectangle. This is going to be 5x5 with 1/4 inch. Create. Center point. Sorry, 0x0. And this is 5x5, and create. Okay, toggle that back on. So now we have our boundary. We're going to hit cancel. Okay, so now let me adjust this again. I just want to bring this down to this height here. Okay, so now I just want to select this. I'm going to say selected vectors, click on that boundary, so that's where it's going to contain us to. Then I'm going to go to the tool. So I'm going to just use an end mill in this example, so I'll choose select. And then the other thing I have here is defining the material. I'm just going to say it's a 1/2 inch. And then calculate. You can see how we have a tool path that's going to run back and forth across the model. Alright, so now from here we're going to simulate it. So we'll highlight our tool path and go to simulate, and we'll press play. You can see how the cutter is going to work its way back and forth to cut our 3D model. Okay, that's Carveco.